Oh, shit.
Another pull. Back on that stick. There they go. They're going to be pulling back on the stick right there. 2, 3, 4, 5 G's. Over the top. Now watch this as they come down on a 45-degree down line. You notice they turn up right. They're going to be pulling back on the stake. Work roll for Spanky on the upline and watch. Right on the top where they're going to hang it up. Watch this. They're going to hang on the prop right there at the top. They're hanging on, falling backwards. 1, 2, 2 links of the aircraft. Let's give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Give them a little teaser this afternoon. Now that green aircraft's called the Raptor, and Spanky has no aircraft, no name for his aircraft. It's just Spanky, Mike Galloway up there. He's going to be on the ground air committee. He's our main announcer for the air show this afternoon. Right now the aircraft are looking for each other. The jump plane and Spanky. Steven?